growing each day. I am grateful for those who support me. I am a magnet for success. My positivity rubs off on others. I am at peace with the present moment. I am in tune with my inner wisdom. I am a source of love. I am a channel for creativity. I have an open mind. I am open to new experiences. I have confidence in myself and my abilities. I am loving and I am caring. I am resilient and I can overcome anything. I am a kind and compassionate soul. I am worthy of respect. I am in total harmony with the world around me. I am at ease with who I am. I am proud of my uniqueness. I am at peace with all of my imperfections. I am in control of my own destiny. I am grateful for all the lessons that I have learned. I am a magnet for positive people. I am in tune with my intuition. I am a forgiving person. I am capable of achieving anything. I am grateful